Passover is just around the corner, and for this year's Passover, we're going to be back in the UK at the Bernie Grant Arts Centre in London. This is going to be a pre-Passover event on the 4th of April. This year's lecture is titled A 3-Day Journey. Most of the time, during Passover, we focus on the big stuff, the exodus out of Egypt, the plagues, the meal, the retelling of the tradition as we are commanded to do. But we mostly forget the key to this whole event, which is Moshe, our teacher, Moshe Rabbeinu. What did it take to prepare such a person to lead God's stiff-necked people? What did it take to build a man to take such a role? As a teenager, he flees from Egypt. The Torah is very kind to us. The next chapter, we find him at a well in Midian, and he's already in his late 70s. The text skips 5 decades of his life. A fugitive, away from family, his people, his brethren. At age 80, he is sent back to Egypt, 60 years later. How did he live through 60 years? Just imagine how many chapters it would take if the Torah chose to record it. When Moshe Rabbeinu strikes the Egyptian, we assume his age to be no more than 20. He flees the country immediately and evidently goes straight to Midian. After his marriage to Zipporah, he encounters God and is sent to Egypt, and he's 80 years old. How do we imagine this chronological gap to be filled in? Also, Moshe's consistent refusal to act as God's messenger to Pharaoh and then to the elders in order to effect liberation has broadly been understood as a mark of humility. The implication of his words is that there is someone else better fit to carry out this divine mission. But a careful read of the story opens up another intriguing possibility. Why is Moses refusing to go free his people? This is going to be a learning experience for all of us. Follow the link in the description box to grab your tickets and access more information about the event. Or visit the Bernie Grant Arts Center's webpage to book your spot. Please do not wait till the last minute to grab your tickets. See you in London. Yah willing. Try. Akwetey Amaah.